Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special. We're introducing the 2025 Ford Pinto, a car that has been revived from the classic era of American automotive history. This isn't just a car, it's a blend of heritage and innovation, and we're here to give you all the juicy details. Buckle up, because the 2025 Ford Pinto is turning heads with its sleek design and exceptional performance. This iconic vehicle has been reimagined with modern technology, but it still holds a nod to its classic heritage. The sleek lines, aggressive stance, and iconic Ford badges make this car a true head-turner. The designers have really outdone themselves, creating a car that's both beautiful and intimidating. Let's talk about what's under the hood. The Pinto packs a powerful punch with its 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine, producing an impressive 250 horsepower and 275 lb-ft of torque. This car can go from 0 to 60 in just 5.5 seconds, making it a force to be reckoned with on the road.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to get more videos and auto news. Let's keep it going.
Step inside and you'll find a cabin that's all about premium materials and advanced tech features. There's a massive touchscreen display that feels like you're in the cockpit of a spaceship, and sport seats designed for exceptional comfort and support. You'll feel ready to take on any road. Safety is a top priority with the Pinto. It features advanced safety systems like lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. You can drive with confidence knowing you're protected on the road. Plus, with adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and a 360 degrees camera system, you'll be connected and in control like never before. Now let's talk about efficiency. With an estimated 25 mpg city and 30 mpg highway, you'll be able to go further on a single tank than ever before. And with features like automatic start-stop technology and eco mode, you'll save even more fuel and reduce your carbon footprint. The Pinto also features a range of advanced driver assistance systems, including a blind spot information system, a lane keeping system, and a driver alert system. It's like having a team of advanced technologies watching your back, ensuring you drive with confidence. Overall, the 2025 Ford Pinto is a car for the modern era. With its impressive performance, advanced tech features, and sleek design, this car is sure to be a hit with car enthusiasts of all ages. It's a perfect blend of classic charm and modern innovation. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this dive into the 2025 Ford Pinto, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more car reviews and updates, and drop a comment below about what you think of this modern marvel. Catch you in the next video.